Hello, hello, hello. I'm really starting to just like butcher these intros. I'm running out of things to say, but I hope you guys are having a great day. We are back with another episode, and we've been just changing it up a lot. Like, I've been doing some bass fishing, I've been doing some muskie fishing, I've been doing some miscellaneous species fishing. It's been all over the board. I have a buddy coming over right now with his little brother. His little brother really likes my fishing videos. He really likes watching Tightline TV. I know you guys do. That's why you're here, all you subs. So yeah, he really likes my videos, and he really wanted to fish with me. He's a young gun. He's really new to fishing, and he's really trying to get into fishing. You know, he doesn't know too much about fishing and just wants to catch something, so I think it would be fun to get him on some big fish. So here's my plan. I'm gonna take him out to a river. We're gonna fish some live chubs for some big catfish. That'll be awesome. He'll be able to get the experience of reeling in a giant fish by himself and stuff like that, or a decent sized fish for that matter. And I'm gonna be doing a challenge today. I'm breaking this bad boy out, and we're gonna try and catch some just big fish on a tiny little fishing rod. I think it's so fun. I tried this, you know, probably about a year ago when I have the video. I'll link it down below if you guys really care to watch the first one. So this is like a part 2 to this, but yeah, I tried doing it a while ago and it wasn't too successful. I caught like 1 catfish or something. So today I'm gonna try and bait this guy up with corn, and we're gonna try and just catch some mammoth carp. I think that would be really cool. And it's always just interesting, you know, fishing with something like this, because you never know what's gonna happen. Maybe the rod will snap, maybe it won't. I don't know. So we're gonna go back to my creek. I have a decent amount of property where I can get you know, some minnows and stuff. So we're gonna go get some bait as soon as they get here, and we're gonna head down to the river and have a blast. So thank you guys so much for watching this episode today, and I hope you enjoy it. Alrighty guys, so we caught bait. I didn't really film it, but we got the juice right here. This is Noah. We're gonna get Noah's PB today, yeah? Biggest fish you ever caught with these guys right here. So we're gonna grab those. Into the Mazda we go. This is probably so close to my face, but all right, we're gonna go over to the river. We're gonna grab and stop and grab some corn. You got all those rods? You got the little one? Yeah, cool. All right, let's get it done. Alrighty guys, so we're here at the river, and we're getting right into things. I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro, but the goal here today is to get him on the biggest fish he's ever caught. He hasn't caught a fish really, what, you said 13 inches, something like that. So he hasn't caught anything bigger than 13 inches. So we're gonna try and break that. And then for me, I'm gonna be fishing good old sweet corn for carp. The goal here is to try and get the biggest possible fish I can on an ice fishing rod. So I'm gonna do a little ice fishing challenge while trying to break his PB. So it should be fun, and let's get her done, yeah? All right. And I guess for all you guys watching, this will be something you guys can do too. So what we're taking here is we're doing just like a simple, pretty much just a bobber setup. It's a float setup, and we are gonna be fishing a bait hook, a circle hook, if I can get this off of here. Like this, and we're fishing about 3 foot under a bobber. And what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be drifting the current to try and
shut up, train.
to try and get in these pockets where these catfish and stuff are at. And you hook it, we're gonna hook it through the back of the tail. The reason I go through the back of the tail is because the fish live longer, and on top of that they try to swim down, and it just makes it better. So what we're gonna do, buddy, I'm gonna show you a couple times. So you're gonna come up here, and you're gonna toss this rod into like the current right here, and there's gonna be a drift. So we're trying to find pockets where these fish are gonna hang out in. So you're just gonna let that thing drift, bud, and just watch that bobber. When that bobber goes underwater, count to 5 and set the hook. Do you know how to set a hook? You know what that means? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna reel up all the slack, and you're just gonna pull real hard. That's all you're gonna do. So just
Like this.
Yeah, I'll help you if it goes under, but for now it's just a waiting game. For me, I'm gonna go over here, Josh. Heads up, bub. I'm gonna toss this like just right in there and hope for the best, I guess. Hey, watch out over here, because I'm gonna have this chilling like this. If you see this thing bending like crazy, let me know. You're on, you're on. Hold on. Hold the rod right here. Put your fingers, because it's gonna be big. Reel and pull. Reel and pull. You got one. There you go, crank away, buddy. Don't horse it, just let it fight. And try to keep all tension on it. Just hold it, and like that. Don't reel and give it slack, so just keep cranking from there. Reel and pull slowly. You got it. Does it feel pretty big?
Yes.
All right, ready? All right, walk back a little bit. Oh yeah.
It's a big one.
Look at that, bud. Boom.
First fish of the day.
It's the biggest fish you ever caught, huh?
Today. I don't know. Something's pulling on your mini rod.
Uh-oh, I'm getting wet. I think I got something. Oh yeah, there we go. I got nailed as soon as that thing hit the water. Oh yeah. Oh, this is great. I can't believe how quick that hit the water. It made a wake. Oh, I see it. It's a carp. It looked pretty orange. It's a giant goldfish. Dude, my forearm is burning. There we go. Here, come down over here. Hey, this is what we were going for. Big carp on a little ice fishing rod. It's dope. Alrighty, there she goes.
Bye, little carp.
Let's see if we can get one more. Where are you at? Reel it in. Ah!
Oh, you hurt yourself in the ass.
Today's not my day, buddy. Oh my gosh, I think I almost tore my rod into the water. All right, guys, well, I'm hooked up again, but it's like kind of snagged, so this is not good. I'm gonna try and bring him down over here. Oh, I threw my rod down and, ay. I was just on the phone. Oh, I can feel it. It's like it's gonna fray and break off. It's snagged. This is not good. Come on, no. Uh-oh, this is bad. And it broke. I knew that was gonna happen. Oh.
Probably a bass.
No, it was a carp. I felt it fraying on a rock though. Well, so I ended up with almost 2 fish. Noah over here caught 3 of the biggest fish he's ever caught in his life. That was awesome. So we got that accomplished. I broke a carp off. Josh, he didn't get anything. But we were just out here with the buddies, my friend and his little brother. We just wanted to get out here and catch some fish. I tried this little mini rod challenge and I broke a carp off and I caught one. What's that, buddy? Oh yeah, and he fell in the water. We didn't get that. I don't know. I might have my GoPro rolling for that, but I don't think so. So I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode. I know it was nothing crazy, but we will see you guys next time, I guess, and probably be doing something totally different because that's pretty much how this goes. So yeah, that was our little mini rod PB challenge or whatever. So thank you guys so much. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button below. Go over to Instagram, shoot me a follow, do all kinds of different stuff over there, and catch you next time. Peace.